plane land, yes the plane land. The deported plane, yes it land.
The deported them. What the dash way? Them birth certificate. Where they reach on the plane, figure out foreign.
Tell them no better try, cause them no better than I. Me know you Venus.
So we are start off the vibration. And we do a video already on YouTube. Take down a video and we are continuing the journey. With long time we are one with people, them tell them so you want to avoid deportation and make sure you're on the straight. Because they're not chum. And we're going to the office. And you see changes and people are get worried and enough things are going on. A bag of things. And you see what I'm going for yourself. You know what I mean? I would just send the warning long time I tell the Jamaican them say, yo, you say if we never did a link up and never did a say nothing come a yard and change number and sell out to no people them and run off and no straight and this and that. Right now no found a problem. They play a few clips so you can hear out some Jamaican and burn out the whole thing already. And after we play them clip here, we have elaborate more on it. Then run it.
Good evening to the deported them. What the dash way? Them birth certificate. Where they reach on the plane, figure out foreign. All of someone will give up on a Jamaican citizenship for another country. Listen to me now.
Yes, I want to jump in and say this, you know, want to show love and gratitude to everyone. We support the thing, you know, we like, a subscribe, a comment, a share, a give thanks. I man appreciate love the strength, and I man appreciate love everyone we support the thing. Give thanks, you know what I mean? Just continue showing the love and sharing out the video, you see me? Because it really help my man reach to higher heights, you see me? And we give thanks, blessed love.
You see, same sardine wanna cuss, the same baked bean wanna cuss, the same tin mackerel wanna cuss. Remember the chicken back. We somehow go over there and remember. Remember the flour. And you see them biscuit here at $200 for tree. And then I taste that.
Yeah, mama. Tell them how do I man consume them things there. But tell them what I go on. You see? And them know say yo, remember them days and them things are still around Jamaica. And certain things get expensive now. I tell you one them, you better have money. I see people my burn out certain things already, I tell you, worse down in the town and some country people think them easy. You know what you are going.
I wanna plan to come watch what people have and try to blood kill off some family member. Wanna left and a member I want to come push in for clock them. Mama tell us something. Look out for poison.
A reality that, you know. Yeah, a reality that. So as me I tell you one time, I say no one I say, oh, you can't trust people again. And I like one time Jamaica change. A material thing around the place. Yeah, be watching and chatting and this and that are going. So mama talk some right thing, me I tell her. The Empress talk some right thing. No joke. A reality. This a reality. But I'm gonna make she go and speak the reality. Because we burn material things and vanity.
You understand? So maybe tell us straight to blood. Get it to the Prime Minister. Every clot when I no go and come back and never remember. I feel like when I want to come kill me, I run me, I feel like me a poison clot. Poison. Clot talk. Because I know now come. I know clot come out no use tweet again and no mad out and someone know we're not coming back to Jamaica all dirty clot Jamaican people. We are the top people wouldn't know say Jamaica no come.
Yeah, so the argument gets sweet. Trouble.
The top people wouldn't know say Jamaica no come. Clot and go away. For some I don't know whenever straight and member grab a member, you know. You understand? Peace out.
In Jamaica, so them say you have to take serious thing, make joke sometime, you know. But a serious thing this, me I tell you, cause enough. And yo, we know about this, you know. we know about this. All I was at the link and ask you one little thing. Beg you this and beg you that, or send me a shoes, or send me a phone. I know people get fed up by it because them say, yo, the foreign life just stick. If you work hard, you have to go through this, you have to go through that, and we are Jamaican and know what go on. You know what I mean? And enough of them no straight. Enough of them are run illegal. And I commit some local petty crime and people in place and all them things there. And so right now, Donald Trump come for put a lock on them gate. Because enough of them no straight. And I go box no food out enough of them plate. Zane? I don't know this, me I tell you. Over phone number they get changed. Who have best friend and I treat them best friend better how them I treat them family. Who have this and me I tell you one them, you know. Jamaican people them a try iron. Make sure say when do that treat to the ones and ones them good. And I keep the communicative vibration together. Yeah? I never did sell out and this and that. Cause me I tell you so enough how you lose on yourself, sell on yourself, do all sort of thing to yourself. And right now we never have them type of meditation for know so this can happen. A reality, you know. I will say about material things and vanity, you know, a reality and a joke. See? We can run the next clip so you can hear what I'm going.
The plain land, yes the plain land. The deported plane, yes it land. Today is the 30th of January 2025. And the first plane touched down with over 300 deported. Run from Jamaica, go over there. Some of them dirty like same way. They don't expect. Jump is a man to him bird, and see when them land and I'm at Man International Airport with them back on their shoulder like Africa, them come from a bata. Them confused. Nothing over them I go. Nothing on a family. Family abandon them. Why? Because they never send back that even one US yard. Not even a one room them have done here. So 97 of them process and the rest that way essential.
The plain land, yes the plain land, I think a joke I man did I make. When I man telling you say you're no Jamaican, I look on deported. Different, worse if you never did have no family. I link up with your family them and you look a friend them. Me I tell you one thing, I think a joke. Yo, bless the ones in Jamaica we have good mindset, you got treat you no good enough. And they don't know the respect and thing. I am on one of them where we check for the ones and because I know the situation and I know the struggle. Because we have people who go through it. But ones and ones might not know. And not even have the experience being around somebody that has been deported. See? So them are going to make fun and joke about it. But you have to just laugh off of some things. You see me? And a joking matter still no. But sometimes you have to just laugh because the reality will stay. Yeah? Remember saying enough of them fly out. Start post up picture party, be a little thing, and when them did their yard, and your foot them did that, and you help them eat out the same pot and everything, and you see them all this on life, and when they come back to Jamaica, them never want to come check you. See? And them things they go enough. I'm telling you, you have to remember, open to learn from them things, you know. I hope it's an eye-opening moment in time for the ones that realize that you have to live upful and mighty, live in a love and unity. You know, selfish liberty not gonna work. Keep brother continue still.
And guess what? Hey! They will have on some of them because them have cases pending. All criminal them, bandit, murderers and robbers. Run from one trouble, now they fall into the hand of the Jamaican trouble. You see what? You see how we want them? Left in a dirty ways. One in a hopper foreign. Send down money down here. Not be a flossing. Not be a boasting. Not be a Clarks and Nike and Adidas and champagne and big vehicles and pay much $1,000 rent. And I show up and see them now. See them now. And look at. Don't make them come telling about 5,000 had to the port. Lie. Over 70,000 of them. Enough of them run away and gone. Watch and see. Watch and see. They playing land. Yes, they playing. And what them are going to do? What them are going to do? This them family. And see there. Look where them come back to. This them yard. And see there. Joe Stone back at them. And see there. Cause Jamaica said dirty and stink. And see there. Ignore people down here and sit there, stare me and can me. Not even send a $50 can give it and sit there. Backyard, I beg and I plead. Them so mad, but the police is there for them. And citizen, take on the pay on the queue. Don't sorry for them because them never sorry for them up there. They playing land, just they playing land. Much deportee in Jamaica land.
Yeah, you might talk facts. You might run like an asaf on the tracks. You might talk facts. No joke. You see, you say it already. You don't have to repeat yourself. If you not say nothing come to Jamaica, and if you cut off the people that want to sell out, and when you get deported and come back a yard, nobody no business with uno. Jamaica not like deported already, just because of the fact of that, you know. The selling out part and the cutting off part and remember where you come from on a style yard and them thing there. Because of them reason there. See? The ones who they are England to so them can hear what I want to so them can be mindful and aware about the situation. Because when they want the plain land and them have to forward come back a yard just like the American.
Long ago, the United Kingdom officially, because just like America, they too are also anti-immigration. What they did was change the rules around immigration, basically now requesting that have to apply for a visa and pay to continue to stay and work here. I do not appreciate the fact that they are now being treated as second-class citizens. So you know what they did? They voluntarily packed up, a majority of them, and they went home. Temporarily closed down because there was no truck drivers to deliver the petrol. People were finding themselves traveling miles and miles and miles, queuing up at 5, 6, 4 o'clock in the morning, trying to get petrol as soon as 1 or 2 trucks dropped the petrol off. There was no farmers to reap the crops so that it could get into the supermarkets. So supermarkets were also empty. Even things as common as eggs, you could not find in supermarkets. And it was to do these jobs. Now the UK, because they now understand how imperative immigration is for any and every country, whether the person is documented or undocumented. Understand that statistically around the world, in the Western world, immigrants compared to national citizens put more money in the economy than they take out because most immigrants do not have access to public funds. I see a lot of people in the comment section talking about how the UK needs to follow. The UK has already learned its lesson. It is time for America to learn the same. Good.
So you hear for yourself, and just America alone I do certain thing, England I do it too. See? And if you want more information, just do the research and be mindful and aware on these things. Yeah, because and just America alone I clamp down for immigration. Everywhere in the world I do it. And if for America make the move, everywhere else I go follow suit. You just be prepared and get yourself up to date. Alright? We could play some of them clips here and you can hear the Jamaican them speak for themselves and not just people who are in a trouble or to certain petty crime and get locked up and send back a yard. They just want to know say you're not straight and you're not saying ID, you come back home. I start already, you know. Flight reach back a yard already, you know, and yeah, many more get caught up, I get detained and processed and everything. So we could play.
Guys, you never know how serious something is until somebody where you know get caught up in a certain things. ICE is deporting only those who have criminal records or people where them definitely I look for. Nothing no go so. No make nobody trick you no. I lies. Someone that I know, they were in a car, right? Police stopped the car. Police wanted documentation for everybody. Everybody had documentation except that one person. And did you know them call ICE? That person is being locked up right now and they are set for deportation. So you don't need to have no sort of crime. You just want to be undocumented. You just want to have no ID for sure them to say yeah you're there legally. I never know see how it go.
Just imagine living in that also right now and you are the only one on a safe. I live with a US citizen husband and a US citizen daughter. Me is a total alien. However, I'm a citizen of Jamaica. Yeah. So if I so pop up now and knock on the door, and them say, alright then somebody out of the house will have to go down. I don't think I'll go down. Me, I go down because I me have the green card. Listen, for the people them out there, I wanna have on a green card, on a walk with on a green card. ID alone now go save we. We have to walk with our green card. A little piece of paper there, or the little card. If your card expire, photocopy the paper and walk with it. Because it's sticky out here. Right now, if me here one knock on my door and them says ice, I guess you not tell me who me a send God the door. Ali me a send God the door. Cause them not send she go nowhere. Me a send Ali guy door. Or our father. Me not going to the door. But fun and joke aside though, guys, being at the wrong place at the wrong time right now, it is scary.
Oh, no, now, if you take it from me, you can see it for yourself. Florida empty. This is what Donald Trump do to Florida. Empty. Not even a little man we see it. In Jamaica, them we used to hustle. All of them people, them gone. The whole of them gone. You don't think all me I tell? Go pan the gas station back at me. Could they? You know, could they? All of my places used to full of beer, man. One bag of man. Could they? Paper, the place tense. Not joke, the place tense. Jano.
For yourself, you know. Place empty, roadside empty, where bag of man used to then there again. Man, we are driving a car, get pulled over and documents are showing them in a problem. Woman were married and have pitney and this and that. I say she now guy do go answer the door because she don't want to get caught up in a situation. And I send the warning to a fellow Jamaican them. See? So I don't play a thing. The thing with this is a joke. And a joke, you know, I see your situation, you know. Yeah, and we're not happy if you know so this happen. You know what we're happy about? For the ones that we're not straight and ones that when they're boast and brag and we sell out and this and that. We know we all laugh off. But the one them they are work and better themselves and follow the system. If they get caught up, my heart goes out to them. See me I say? Big woman thing. Because I know uno want pressure for each the ones that we are commit the petty crime, we are abuse the people in the system, we sell out them country and we sell out them family and friends. And them are going to have a problem. You know what I mean? Right now, I don't know what got me, you know. When no fun come back a yard still, you know. Yeah, we are praying to the Almighty, say Jack can help, you know. You see? I tell you, because people now look on the deported so easy. You know what I mean? And we hear for them, only hear for yourself. But the people them meditate. And that are just a few ones and ones. There are many more meditate like that. You know what I mean? So, I'm doing the research and keep up to date in what I want in the media. And be prepared for them people that will come back a yard. Because enough of them are criminal. Enough of them have whole heap of things tied to them name. You see me? And it's not easy when you left your place and come back in a place where you left for years and think you are just and this and that. You know what I mean? Jano, big up on yourself still. If you're new, subscribe. Leave on your thoughts in a comment and tell a friend to tell a friend.